There are a lot of kind of obsessions. The good ones and the bad ones. But anything being called obsession is never good. But meh, who cares? Natural perfection. If I'm not born with that thing, it's like impossible for me to get it. No matter how hard I work, it's nothing I'm going to reach.
Go.
Pretty. She's really so pretty. Oh, girl, don't say that things.
Smelly stuff. I smell everything. And when I say everything, means
The language. The language is for me something that makes us human beings. So, I need to understand people. And when I don't, I literally can freak out.
Ай, здравей, мацки, как си? Здрасти. Добре съм, и ти какво правиш? Добре съм. Нищо, ония ден бях с една моя приятелка, пихме едно кафенце. Ами ти? Излизах с онова момче.
So, this is what could happen if I wanted to say something. What? Huh? Why are you staring at? Huh? Any problem with me? Huh? And this is what actually would happen if I dare to say it. What? And then this is what actually happens.
Clean and washed bodies. I can't hold it. You can find me having a bath every single time. Maybe at 5 a.m., 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. or 5 p.m.
Music. I literally need music in my life. Literally everywhere.
The floor. Any dirty stuff on the floor is just like, damn, you know. Seriously, it's terrible. About the kitchen stuff, well, the degreaser changed my life. pretty much everything for today, and hope to see you next week. Please give thumbs up and subscribe or comment something if you have any idea, or if you want to suggest us something, just please do it. We'll feel really glad to know your opinion about our video.
And as always, if you think we said something wrong or something like that, just let us know in the comments below.
If you want to share your own obsessions with us, it would be really very cool, because maybe we're not gonna feel so weird.
Just let us know.
Yes. Shonanese!